Hello, today we're here with Carrie Hammond of Colorado Couples and Family Therapy, and in my opinion, one of the best therapists here in Denver. Carrie, thanks a lot for joining us for an expert interview today.
Thank you for having me. I'm excited.
Outstanding. Glad to have you here and looking forward to some of your insights on counseling and for families and couples as well as children. So Carrie, my first question for you is how did you get into counseling, and can you give us a little bit of a background?
Sure. This has actually been my absolute passion since I was 14 years old. From my first psych class in high school, I knew that this is what I wanted to do with my life. It's really a calling of mine, and I went to CU in Boulder for my undergrad degree in psychology, and then I went on to Regis University, and I did a dual track there in marriage and family therapy, and I also have my certificate in child and adolescent play therapy. I graduated with honors. I loved school. I am a consummate learner, so just my passion.
Outstanding. Well, it shows in your voice, that's for sure. So jumping into some counseling topics, what are some typical situations that couples and individuals find themselves in these days?
Lots of couples call in and say they can't communicate, and I find what they really mean is that they're unable to express their needs in a way that their partner or spouse can truly understand them. That's one of the things. Also, some infidelity, lots of trauma, lots of couples with trauma in their background, and I have additional certificates in EMDR, which is really nice for using with any past traumas, any abuse, any PTSD.
Okay. So as far as viewers that are seeing this interview with you and are maybe considering talking to a counselor, do you have any helpful tips regarding therapy that they might appreciate?
Yeah, absolutely. You want to make sure that you're really comfortable, that you really like, and that you really, really trust whoever you're in the room with. This is a place that should be safe, that you should feel that you can share anything without being judged. You have the right to ask us about any of the modalities, any of the techniques, anything like that, and if you're not feeling completely comfortable, then it's not a good fit. One thing I will do is if I find that someone has contacted me and their issue is out of my area of expertise, I will help them find the best possible therapist.
Great, great. I appreciate that. I think those are some great insights and some things that maybe will help people be a little more at ease when they think about a counselor and coming in and kind of opening up and bearing their soul. Like you said, you really have to have that trust component there. Thanks for bringing that to mind. And Carrie, thanks again for doing a short interview here with us today. I appreciate the insights that you've shared with our viewers, and we definitely look forward to having you back on again for some more interviews and some more expert advice.
Thank you so much for having me. I enjoyed it.
Great. Thanks. We'll see you next time.
Okay.